Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. So guys, we are starting a new series on Google Ads for beginners, and in this series we will bring variety of videos on each and everything related to Google Ads. What is Google Ad, how to run Google Ads, how to set up various campaigns by learning Google Ads skill set and become a future ready professional or a business owner. So guys, this particular video will be about what is Google Ads and why is it important. I mean, why we are talking about Google Ads in today's era when there are multiple paid platforms, and what is the relevance of Google Ads? Is it still relevant? Will it be useful for our business? Will it be useful as a skill set in upcoming days? And what will be the advantages of learning Google Ads? Either you are a student, business owner, homemaker, entrepreneur, or any budding professional who wants to switch into the digital marketing domain. So let's start with the video. But before actually understanding what is Google Ads, do we see Google Ads in a real life? Yes, we do see. If you are using Google as a search engine to find answers to your queries, you must have noticed something that I am going to show you. So for example, let's say you'll search for online medicines. You want to search for online medicine means you want to order medicines online. Just click on that. Did you notice something? You see the results. This is first result, second result, third result, fourth result. But what's the difference? If you notice properly, there is a difference. In the first, second, and third, these three results are different as compared to the fourth one. Why? Because the first three results have this mark, or you can say tag, that is called sponsored, whether fourth one is not, fifth one is not. So it means these sponsored results are there because of Google Ads, and they are being marketed via Google Ads platform. Whether these particular results which are called organic or without paid results, these are because of the SEO, search engine optimization. But if you see that paid results are above, or you can say top of the page as compared to the SEO results, and that's why it is important to learn Google Ads. And you can see whenever you see sponsored word, whenever you see ad word on Google or any property of Google, please understand this is a sponsored result, and this is driven by Google Ads platform, because only Google Ads platform can show ads on Google properties and nobody can else do. So it means it is important. You can rank above the organic result. You can rank above the organic results, and you can get more and more customer out of the Google Ads. And this is not only one example. There are plenty of examples that we will learn in the upcoming videos. So this is the same search engine, same google.com, which I use in a daily life to search about your queries. And of course, as a business owner, we can also see that our prospect audience are searching on Google, because it is a search engine which provides relevant answers to your queries. So it makes sense to advertise on Google, and that's why Google introduced this advertising platform that is called Google Ads. So talking about Google Ads, what is Google Ads? So of course, it is an online advertising platform by Google. This is the same search engine that I use on a daily life to search for your queries, to search for your answers. And Google is a very popular, I would say the most popular search engine out of all the search engines available, and it holds around 90% of the market share. Yes, if I talk about Google market share, it holds 90% of market share, and hence Google introduced this paid service where you can promote your business in year 2000. So it is almost now 25 years since Google launched this paid advertising services for business owners, or for those individuals who wants to promote their brand, product and services via google.com. So it is an advertising platform, but it is a paid ad platform. It is not a free of cost platform. Talking about the second point, shows ads on Google search, YouTube, Maps, Play Store and partner websites. So Google, being one of the biggest IT company in this entire world, provides variety of platforms where you can showcase your advertisement related to your product, services when you run Google Ads. For example, Google search, YouTube is again a second most popular search engine. If I talk about Google Maps, Google Play Store and other partner website. So it provides you variety of platforms. Some of them are owned by Google and some of them are partnered platform along with Google. So both kind of platforms are available inside Google Ads, and that's why it becomes very important and a widely available platform in terms of reach, in terms of audience, so that you can reach to your target audience better. The third thing works on pay per click PPC model. As I said, it is not a free of cost platform, it is a paid platform, and Google charges you every time when there is a click, when there is impression, and when there is an action happens. So the basic principle on which Google Ads works is PPC, that pay per click. So you decide a budget for a particular day or particular time, let's say 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees, and every time when your visitors clicks on your advertisement on Google, your amount deducted from your Google Ads account, and that depends on multiple factors that we'll discuss in later on in the upcoming videos. And the last but not the least, this platform helps variety of businesses to generate leads, sales, revenue, traffic, awareness, brand promotion. So whatever your objective is, almost every objective is covered and is achievable via using Google Ads platform. So this is why we are talking about Google Ads platform in today's era. Now, if I talk about why only Google Ads, there are multiple other search engines as well, like Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Brave, Ask Me, right? But why the Google ad is so popular? The reason is pretty clear, that Google advertising platform holds more than 80% of market share in terms of businesses. If I talk about Google Ads, and in total, if I talk about Google as a search engine, then more than 90% of the internet user in this entire world use Google to search for their queries and to find out their answers. So this is the dominance of Google, whether in terms of organic or paid result, it dominates the market, and that's why we talk about Google Ads more oftenly as compared to other platforms. Other platform also has their importance, but Google dominates the market, and that's why it is very important, and you cannot avoid if you are a business owner or if you want to get into digital marketing field. The third is 8.5 billion Google searches happen every day worldwide. It means more than 8.5 billion. It means more than 8.5 billion times people search something on Google. Maybe it is their query, the product, the services, it can be anything. And even if you are able to grab the 1% of it, I'm only talking about the 1%, that is a huge for any business, and that's why people are using Google Ads to promote their services and product. And if I talk about 63% of people have clicked on Google Ads. I mean, if you search on Google, so let's say online shoes, you will see results. Some of them are from Google Ads, which are marked as sponsored, those are by Google Ads, by variety of advertiser. And it is observed that 63% of people who are searching for their queries, they click on Google Ads. It means only 37% remaining are clicking on the organic results. It means more and more people are also clicking on Google Ads, and that's why the traffic, the sales, the leads, everything you can achieve via using Google Ads. And of course, as I said, that no business objective is, impossible using Google Ads. So Google Ads helps brands to generate leads, revenue, brand awareness effectively with detailed audience targeting. It means whatever targeting you want to set, whether in terms of interest, age, location, right, their intent, whatever possible kind of targeting can be happen, you can do that inside Google Ads dashboard, and with the unmatched tracking option. Whatever funds you are using, whatever campaign you are running, Google Ads will provide you each and every possible aspect of metrics, so that you can analyze whether your campaigns are performing well, not well, whether you want to change something, are they meeting your goals or not, so that your ROI, return on investment, is highest possible based on your skill set and the competition available. Now the question comes, okay sir, that Google is great, Google Ads are great, Google is helping businesses, Google Ads is helping businesses, but why do we need to learn Google Ads as a skill set? That is the most important question, because if you are a business professional, entrepreneur, business owner, or maybe a housewife or a student, and you want to looking to learn a skill set, then Google Ads is one of the important and high in demand skill set that you want to learn. And there are a variety of reasons. Number one is that it is a high demand skill in digital marketing. Inside the digital marketing domain, Google Ad is very high in demand, because every business wants Google Ads expert or executive who can help them to run Google Ads and achieve their desired result. And you can start as a freelancing or maybe as a small agency by learning Google Ads, so that you can provide services to other people. Essential for startup and businesses to generate leads quickly. So let's say if you are a small business, you are a startup, and you don't have, lakhs of funds available with you to market heavily or aggressively on other platform, then you can only focus on Google Ads, and you can start generating relevant leads, traffic and revenue by I would not say applying very small budget, but applying a sufficient and decent budget, and you can start generating the revenue quickly. It is not something that you have to wait for 3 or 4 months. As soon as you start ads, and if you are setting up the campaigns correctly, then you can start getting the response maybe within 1, 2, 3 weeks. And if you are skilled enough, or if you are taking help from the professional, then you can start achieving your results within 1 week minimum. Then next is help you control and optimize ad budgets effectively. It is not unlike the other platform where you cannot optimize the budget. It is a flexible platform where you can decide your budget accordingly. You can optimize them, you can monitor them, and whatever funds you have available, let's say you have only 500 rupees per day budget, Google will still allow you to run ads, and you can still generate revenue and leads for your businesses. Enable data-driven marketing decision through measurable result. As I said, that whatever possible tracking options are there, Google provides almost everything so that your ROI can be maximized. And the last is opens global career and client opportunities, freelance, agency and consulting. If you are an individual who is looking to build a career out of digital marketing, then Google Ad is a must to have skill, because without Google Ads you are missing on a very large platform which has the potential to generate revenue, leads for your business or maybe for your client's business. So these are the reasons for which you should learn Google Ads in today's era and in the upcoming time. And if you are looking to make a career a job, so what are the possible job options after learning Google Ads? So there are various options that you can pursue, various fields that you can go into after learning Google Ads and practically, doing some hands-on. That Google Ads specialist or PPC expert, digital marketing executive, performance marketing manager, search engine marketing analyst, campaign strategist, account manager, or freelance digital marketer. Or if you have, sufficient funds, you can start your own agency as well, along with 2 or 3 team members. So these are the possible career options, either as a job or a business owner or an agency owner. You can start doing it. And if you are a startup owner or entrepreneur, then you should have the knowledge of Google Ads, so that whatever you hire, whether an agency or a freelancer or a full-time person, you can monitor their effort, you can monitor their results, whether they are able to utilize the funds properly or not. Otherwise, your funds will be gone, will be wasted, and no proper ROI will be judged. So you are the person, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, is responsible to judge all these things. So you are not supposed to be expert, but you should be aware what is happening inside Google Ads and how Google Ads actually works. So if you are also an entrepreneur, please do follow this series till the end, so that nobody can actually make a fool of you, or maybe you can properly monitor your ROI of the funds being used for Google Ads campaign.